recording. So what is to be done? We are talking about need of communication. Why communication is needed in any business organization? Can any one of you tell me why communication is needed in business organization? Hello, can any one of you tell me why communication is needed in a business organization? And you people are not supposed to take screenshot of the lecture. Now this lecture is our property under copyright. You are not supposed to record it on any device, and you are not supposed to take screenshot and share it with anybody from your college or from anybody outside. Now you people, I can see some of you have joined from two devices. Who is Abhishek Jaiswal? Joining from two devices. Why?
नो मैम अलग अलग है।
अलग है, दो अभिषेक जायसवाल है।
हाँ मैम,
नहीं
मैं चेंज करता हूँ मैम, रुको।
नहीं चलेगा, मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। It's not, I am just confirming because today I engaged the TY lecture.
नो मैम,
1 minute.
दो अभिषेक
First listen to me.
ओके।
Today I was engaging TY lecture. There one student entered the classroom who was not our student. So I just wanted to confirm. No issues. I don't have any issue. If two Abhishek Jaiswal are there, it's okay. Okay, but you are not supposed to take screenshot of what I am delivering. You are not supposed to record it from any device, and you are not supposed to, because it's copyright. Under copyright you will be caught otherwise if anybody complains against you. It's the teacher's property and it's college property. The lecture delivered is here. Okay, so I'm just making things clear to you because you are still not that mature, no? Under copyright law you will be caught otherwise. Is it clear? So why people need to communicate in the field of business? Can anybody tell me? Need of communication in business or business organization. Yes. Who has raised the hand? Yes.
सोचना पड़ता है रे, कौन सी गाली देने का सोचना पड़ता है। जब तो ऐसा
Why the background noise is there?
मैम रिमूव कर दो।
क्या रिमूव करूं? मैं तुमसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही थी इसलिए मैंने अनम्यूट किया था तुम लोगों को। Yes. Why there is a need to communicate in business organization? See, when you communicate in business, when you are working, yes, you want to say something for participants whoever have raised the hand. If you want to say something, do you want to ask something, or you have raised the hand by mistake? How I will come to know? Chat, put your message in chat box if you want to say something. Why communication is needed in business? Shayad Shifa, Tripti Panugrahi. What do you want to say? I have unmuted you. Say.
मैम गलती से हो गया था।
गलती से हो गया तो चैट बॉक्स में लिखने को नहीं होता, बार बार मुझे म्यूट अनम्यूट करना पड़ रहा है। हाँ
मैम मेरे उसमें लिखने के लिए, टाइपिंग के लिए नहीं दे रहा है, चैट
नहीं दे रहा है तो
डिसेबल
फिर
है।
because the background noise is again disturbing me ना, again and again. Why I should mute you, unmute you all the time? Okay. So why it is the need of communication in business? Why it is needed? For smooth running of organization, communication is needed. Correct? You can note down these points in your notebook. Correct? First point is that for information. Second point, correct? Like goals of the organization, goals, target, projects, and rules, regulations. What else? Rules, regulation, and achievements. Correct? Third, I will explain again. For better performance and productivity. Okay? Sorry. For better performance and productivity. Fourth, for cooperation and coordination. Correct? Fifth point, now when you are working in any business organization, cooperation and coordination is needed among the staff members, correct? And employees at various levels. Okay, so that can be achieved, cooperation and coordination can be achieved only and only if you communicate. Okay, so for sharing information means for giving information and receiving information, correct? You need to communicate. You can achieve your targets, you can complete your projects, you can uh, achieve your goals only and only if you follow proper communication, correct? For better performance and productivity of the organization, communication is needed at various levels. Now take example of Jhunjhunwala College only. It's also an organization. It delivers you service, correct? It doesn't deliver you good, but it delivers you service, correct? Now what is business? Buying and selling of goods and services. Now who is selling the service here? Ram Niranjan Jhunjhunwala College, correct? Who is receiving the service? You as students are receiving the service, correct? So you are also a stakeholder of the organization. We teachers are giving you, catering you education, so we are also stakeholders in the organization. Now the management, principal are also stakeholder in the organization. Okay, all teachers are stakeholder in the organization. Now, for the aim of Jhunjhunwala College is to excel in the field of education, correct? So that aim can be achieved only and only. Now what are projects we have to complete, what are the rules and regulations, what are the achievements of the college. Okay, when induction program was done for you, sir told you na that you will be in TY BCom. When the next year team will visit, they will interact with you, correct? So he shared information with you, he shared with you rules and regulations, correct? So communication through, he could do this because through communication only, correct? So for sharing information, to share the targets, projects, achievements, communication is needed. Okay, for better performance and productivity. Now this business organization can perform better and produce better only and only if teacher and student work well, correct? Because it is an educational institute. Okay, if you excel academically, if you excel in sports, cultural programs, various activities of the college, outside the college, intra college activity, inter collegiate activity, university level activity, state level and national activity, or international activity, that can be done only and only when you come to know the rules and regulations, when you know the goals, targets of the organization. Okay, you can perform better only and only when you communicate properly with your teachers and the non-teaching staff, supporting staff. Okay, all communicate well with you and you communicate well with them. So for that, cooperation and coordination is needed. So communication is needed for smooth running of organization, for sharing information, for better performance and productivity, for cooperation and coordination. Okay, to provide, also needed to provide customer satisfaction and service. Now as a student of this organization, you are customer of this organization. Now you will take admission only and only if you are satisfied with the service, okay, of the college. Otherwise you will not be able to take admission in the college, or you would not like to, you would go to any other college thinking that they are not providing us satisfaction. As a student, if you feel no, we are not getting proper education here, okay, or if you feel dissatisfied due to any reason, you will not take admission. So Jhunjhunwala College provides you better service for education, so you get satisfaction, you get good service as a student, you get all the infrastructural facilities well, library service, and so you take admission in Jhunjhunwala College. Is it clear to you? Hello, is it clear to you whatever I told you about need of communication? I am asking you all. I have unmuted you. Tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
noted down these points?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So should I rub this part?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Is it clear? So communication is not needed only for these aspects, for otherwise also communication is needed. Correct? For external communication. Now there is one something which is known as B2B. B2B, you understand? What is B2B?
Business to business.
Yes. Then there is one thing which is known as B2C. What is it?
Business to customer.
Yeah. Then there is one thing which is known as C2B.
Customer to business.
Correct? So as a business organization, you need to communicate to another business organizations as well. Correct? है ना? As a business organization, you need to communicate to customers also communicate to you when they complain to you, है ना? Or when they make demands. Then, so for means to maintain public relation, to maintain public relations. Okay, B2B means you communicate not within the organization but outside the organization as well. Okay, internal means within the organization. Clear? I am not writing full spellings, you understand. External means outside the organization. Correct? Now college can't run itself individually, in the sense college has to be in contact with various service providers. The college itself is providing you service. The college has to be in touch with post office. Correct? The college has to be in contact with the telephone department, electricity department, water department to provide you service, because you need electricity, water, है ना? The college gets various types of mails, post, है ना? So college need to communicate to various organizations, then police, okay, university departments, various other colleges. So it is known as B2B. Is it clear? Now college also gives information through notices, circulars, WhatsApp, email, SMS, okay, to customer. So it is known as B2C. Correct? Now C2B means as a student you also communicate to college that you have sent the document, okay, you haven't got your result, or there is some mistake, error in your mark sheet or whatever, or you are very much satisfied with the service college is providing you, or you are dissatisfied with the service college is providing you, whatever your complaints, whatever your appreciation or whatever is there. Okay, so you try to give various types of information to college as a customer. College also gives information to customers that online admission will be conducted from this period to this period. Now online exams will be conducted from this period to this period. The result will be declared on so and so date. So many types of information you get from college. You also, if you have any queries related to admission, online lectures, or you also ask. So this way, to maintain public relation within the organization and outside the organization, communication is needed. So which point it is, 6th or 7th?
6.
6. So you are attentive. Okay. So this way communication is needed for various needs of the organization. Is it clear to you? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me ask you one question now. I am asking you one more question. Okay. Now. Where it had gone. So now let me ask you one more question. Your first chapter, what was your first chapter? Huh? Concept of communication, na? Yes, you want to say something, say. What happened? Are? You want to ask me something? Yes. Say something what you want to say. So, I am asking you, what did you learn from this chapter? Have you learned something from this chapter? Hello. ये क्या चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में? You don't understand how to attend lecture. I told you that you have to maintain ethics, etiquette. Have you learned? What did you learn? Did you learn something new from these lectures of mine on business communication? Put it in your chat box. If you have learned anything from this. Yes. Have you got to learn something? Didn't learn anything from my lectures on business communication? Tell me. I unmuted you. Yes. What did you learn?
चैट बॉक्स डिसेबल्ड है
Chat box disabled किधर है?
Yes,
है मैम
मैंने तो डिसेबल नहीं किया है.
किसने तो पहले ही किया था
किसने किया था? किसी टीचर ने
नहीं
किया
मालूम
था
मैम
क्या पहले?
नहीं नहीं
फिर
जो होस्ट होगा उसने किया होगा
तो
Previous
होस्ट तो मैं ही हूँ ना.
आपके पहले मैम आपके पहले
यहाँ पे तो डिसेबल्ड करके नहीं दिखा रहा है.
डिसेबल्ड है मैम.
I am asking you, have you learned something new from my lectures on business communication?
yes, ma'am.
What did you learn?
Ma'am, we learned that communication is very essential in business. Without communication, we can't share our information or idea to the another party. And communication includes two party
हाँ.
and only one part. If there are only one party, it is known as transmission.
हाँ. Very
Okay.
good. Very
And
good. And
when a receiver gives a reply to the sender, then the receiver then the sender bees the receiver. Means their position gets changed.
What else? Anybody else will tell something?
Miss, there are three types of communication. Means business to business, business to customer, customer to business.
What else? I have told you so many things.
Ma'am, there is the three types of feedbacks such as positive feedbacks, negative feedbacks, and
Partial feedback.
partial feedbacks.
Yes, anybody
And
else
some
learnt
types of
anything?
feedbacks,
Yeah.
feedback can be oral or written.
हाँ.
Oral feedback means they are communicate face to face, and written feedback means it is delayed communication and time consuming because it's required to type at the time.
Okay. What else?
And Miss, there are different types of communication skills: reading, speaking, writing, listening, and digital skills. And English language is the main tool of communication.
Okay. What else? Anything else?
We can also talk from body language, gestures.
It's not gesture, it's gesture. Okay? Gesture. Pronunciation is gesture. Okay?
Gesture.
What else? What else you learnt? Anybody else will tell me any other point?
Miss, we also learn that how to improve our communication skills and what are their importance.
Okay, what else? What else? Anybody else can tell me something else? I've taught so many things in so many lectures.
Miss, there are verbal communication, audio,
Uh,
visual, and non-verbal.
yes. Audio visual communication. Correct. Importance
Yes,
of
miss.
electronic communication. Anybody else would like to share anything else? No? Don't want to share anything? So many of you have learned so many things, no? Correct? Yes, tell me. What did you learn? Didn't learn anything? Yes.
Process of communication.
Hmm. See, I have asked you one question. Have you learned something new from my lecture on business communication? Yes, no. Give your opinion.
Yes, miss, we learn new things.
So all are not telling, na? Only few students are telling. So I just want to know. Only 12, 13, 14 students learned something new. Others knew everything, whatever I've told you. Okay, one student said no. Who is this one fellow who said no? So I can learn from that student even, no? You didn't learn anything new. You already knew everything, whatever I told you. Good. It means I can also learn from you. Correct, no? Or not? I don't have any issue, even if you say no or yes. Okay, should I end the polling or any one of you want to vote for it? Okay, I'm ending it. Let me see. Okay, I'm sharing the result. Okay, you can see on screen something or not. See, I'm sharing the result with you. Can you see it on the screen? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
one
Yes,
student is
ma'am.
saying I didn't learn anything new and 27 are saying yes. What about remaining student? Okay, let me go to another one because I have prepared one more on this only. Okay.
Oh, teacher, Julie getting for you.
What? What you are saying? Hello? You want to say something? One of you said something. What do you want to say? Stop sharing. So, now I am launching again. Okay. You are able to see it on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So there will be many who will be saying can't say, na? So now nobody is saying no. Why? Where that one student also need to say now as well no, na? Why the mind change? I am asking about same thing. So 30 out of 31 are saying that we have learned something new, but one student is saying can't say. Now that one student from no came to, I think, can't say. What about remaining students? Okay, no issues. Whether you want, I'm sharing result with you. Okay, can you see the result? I'm sharing the result. Correct? So 97% of students learned something new. 0% didn't learn anything. One student is saying, I don't know. What about remaining student? God only knows. Because they don't want to even participate in the polling process. Okay, so let it be. I'm not bothered what you say and what others are saying or whatever. Okay. Okay, so I just wanted to know from you. Okay, so I've completed your first topic. Is it clear? First topic from your syllabus, which is concept of communication. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, still I am repeating because you may have some confusion later on. See, the concept of communication, unit 1, theory of communication. Under there one chapter is there, models of communication, linear, interactive, transactional, Shannon and Weaver. Okay, this I have discussed with you. Transactional is given by Shannon and Weaver only. Okay, meaning and definition of communication I made clear. Process of communication, traditional model of communication means sender, message, okay, channel and receiver. This I have told you, correct? Sender, message, channel, receiver, need of communication and feedback. Is it clear to you? So next, whenever the lecture will be there, I will start with unit 2, channels of communication. Okay, is it clear to you? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
just sharing with you that I have completed the first chapter with you. I think I have engaged 6 lecture by now. 6 lecture हो गए हैं ना? नहीं मालूम कितने lecture attend किए किसी के.
Yes, ma'am.
5 like
5 lectures हुए हैं.
हो गया लेकिन कंप्लीट
3 lectures मैंने किया ना, इसी week में किए हैं 3 lectures तो I think, है ना? नहीं किए?
yes
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But I just want to say that I have completed the chapter. Okay, if you repeat it, revise it at home, and if you have any query, you can ask me. Is it clear? In the next lecture.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, is there any more lecture today?
नो
So
No,
I
ma'am.
should end the meeting.
Yes.
यस एंड
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you,
so
ma'am.
I'm ending the meeting for all. Correct?
Thank you, ma'am.